Hey YouTube family, it's David from Vacay Life coming at you with another video, and today we're going to talk about laundry. Yeah, that's right, laundry on a cruise ship. Now I know what you're thinking, chores? I don't want to think about chores or laundry while I'm on vacation, but unfortunately, sometimes you have to. Nowadays, airlines charge you so much for luggage. You're talking 35 to 50 or $55 per checked bag. It's crazy. And that has sparked this whole movement of this packing light and I've seen videos and blogs where people talk about how they go on 7 and even 10-day cruises with nothing more than a airport approved carry-on. And I guarantee you those people are doing laundry on cruises. It has to be done. And if it has to be done, then I want to give you guys as much information as we can so that you can get it done quickly and efficiently and get back to your cruise vacation and having fun, right? So essentially you have two options for doing laundry on the ship. So option number one is they have self-service laundrettes, mini laundromats. Let's go with that, okay? These are usually available on most of the decks that just have staterooms. We just got off the Carnival Horizon about 5-6 weeks ago, and there was one on every one of the cabin-only decks. And these little mini laundromats have 2 or 3 sets of washers and dryers each, and they're available for use. Now they are not complimentary. You do have to pay for them. And on Carnival Horizon, as of December 2019, when our sailing was, they were $3.25 for a wash, $3.25 for a dry, and $1.50 for the laundry soap. So a total of $8. Now, I suppose if you wanted to, you could throw a Tide Pod in your luggage and bring that with you and save yourself $1.50. But I'm just going to work off the assumption you didn't do that. So you're looking at $8 to do a load of laundry. Now, keep in mind, you're going to have to load up your laundry, tote it down there. Possibly you might have to go up or down a floor depending on your ship. Put it in the washer and then stay there with it, or come back and put it in the dryer and then tote it back to your room and fold it. And it's going to cost you $8 to do that. Now, from my best, guesstimation, that's probably going to take you about 2 hours to do that. So it's about 2 hours out of your day and $8 to do that. Now, option number two is one me and Jamie, we love. And we take advantage of this every single cruise that we've ever been on every cruise line we've ever been on. But the laundry special. Now, I'm going to talk specifically about Carnival because we just got off of the Carnival Horizon. But this also applies in some form or fashion to most other cruise lines. I know for a fact Norwegian and Royal Caribbean have a version of this program very similar. The price might be slightly different. It might be $20, but basically the same thing. Essentially what happens is halfway through your cruise, like I said, we were on the Horizon 6-day cruise, so on day 3, our stateroom attendant brought us this bag. Now it's a pretty good sized bag. It's equivalent to what one load of laundry could fit in the washers and dryers on board the ship. What I would consider a medium size load of laundry. For example, me and Jamie flew down to Miami for that Horizon cruise the day before, and they brought us the bag on the morning of day 3. So we were able to put everything we had worn up to that point, a full 3 days worth of laundry in the bag, and still had room. So halfway through your cruise, you'll get this bag. You fill the bag up with your clothes. It's not a per item charge, so if it fits in the bag, it's all one price. And on this Carnival cruise, it was $15. So 15 bucks, you fill the bag, you leave it in your stateroom. Your stateroom attendant takes it, they wash it, they dry it, they fold it, they bring it back to your room. Now, I think they say next day, but on multiple occasions I actually got it back the same day that evening. But even if it's next day, wash, dry, fold, back in your room, 15 bucks. All you gotta do is pick it up, put it back in your drawers, and you're done. So, I mean, you guys probably, if you've watched the channel a lot, know that I'm all about saving some money on a cruise and doing everything I can to make it as budget friendly as possible. But you know, if I'm going to do it myself, it's going to cost $8, or I can let them do it for 15. And if I do it myself, it's going to cost about 2 hours of my time. Now, I don't know how valuable your cruise time is to you, but to me, 2 hours of cruise time, that's a lot of time to save $7. I'm just not willing to do that. There's plenty of other ways that you can save money on a cruise. And for me, giving up 2 hours of my cruise time is just not worth it. So I know this isn't the most riveting video that'll be out there, but I think it's important. And you know, before we went on this Carnival cruise, I tried to find this information and I couldn't specifically find it. So I thought it would be good to put it out there. So you know, you guys can be informed and do what you got to do so you can get back to that cruise vacation that you're on and enjoying your time. So yeah, so I mean, if you have to do laundry on the ship, look for the laundry special. It should come about halfway through, and take advantage of that, and you know, not have to spend your time actually doing chores while you're on your vacation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments section. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos about cruises, cruising content, tips, tricks, vlogs, anything cruise related, we're constantly putting out videos. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, enable notifications so you know when we're putting the videos out and you can come and check them out. And anybody who's already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. We've gotten a lot of support on this channel already, and I just want to send out a big shout out to all of our subscribers and everybody who's already with us. Also, come check out our Facebook page, and I'll go ahead and put the address up here. It's right there. Come check out our Facebook page. We post a lot of that stuff on our Facebook page too. Just join in the fun. You can drop your comments there as well, and we'll answer any questions you just might have. So for now, I think that's about all we can talk about as far as laundry goes. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.